So here's my late 2006 iMac, booting up a recent install of Snow Leopard 10.6.4. In about 20 seconds you'll see the graphics issues that many people on the internet are complaining about. In addition, we'll probably see system freezes and random shutdowns if we're lucky. So let's give it a few seconds here and see what happens. So there you go, bunch of pixelated horizontal lines and other graphical anomalies on my 37-month-old iMac. Menu seems a little messed up there. Still clickable. Let's see if I can click Finder. Okay, looks like the system has frozen up now, which is typical. As you can see, it's pretty messed up. And since I can't go to the menu here, I can't shut down gracefully. I'm gonna have to do a hard reboot. So let me do that now. Again, this is a late 2006 iMac with the ATI X1600 GPU, and it's currently about 3 years old, about 37 months old. And I did take this into the Genius Bar, and the techs confirmed it is a GPU problem, and they quoted me a repair estimate of $1,000 to get the logic board replaced since the GPU is soldered onto it. Okay, here we go. Alright, apparently this is about as far as it's going to get, because the system has already frozen up before it even gets to the desktop. That's supposed to be my mouse, I guess. Alright, let's reboot it again. So the repair estimate is $1,000. To put that into perspective, I paid $1,500 for this iMac 3 years ago, and today this iMac would go for about $500, maybe $600 on eBay if it were in perfect working condition. So clearly it makes no sense to pay $1,000 to repair a computer the market values as $500. Just doesn't make sense. But the reason I'm posting this video is because many others are experiencing the exact same graphics issues with their late 2006 iMac, so I'm not the only one who's having this problem. Though apparently it's not enough for Apple to officially acknowledge this as a defect. And there you go, more graphic weirdness happening. And it shut down. Because I guess it couldn't take it anymore. Actually, it's still on. It hasn't rebooted itself, but obviously it's unusable. Yep, the fans are still going. It's still on, but I can't do anything, so I'm going to reboot it again. Now it's off. Now it's back on. So there's no way to get a good count of how many of these iMacs are affected by this issue. Could be 5%, could be 25%, we don't know. Only Apple knows. But it's pretty clear to me that this is a manufacturing defect. Why Apple won't acknowledge it is beyond me. I'm sure there's some sort of profit motive behind it or something. But I think there are too many people who are affected by this problem to let it go. Awesome. It's like a new age work of art or something. So there you go. Funky horizontal screens or lines on the screen. Some weird stuff going on there. No menu bar appeared this time. Can't click anything. Dock does not show up. And left with no other option but to do a hard reboot once again. So let's just keep doing this, see how many times I can do it.